Hi, welcome to another HEIR education production. This time we're looking at a simple fishtail braid. This is a very popular braid in the HEIR braid collection because it has a real lovely intricate finish. It's often used in boho looks and it looks fantastic to dress with fresh flowers and bridal accessories. So let's get started. Here's Natalie, one of our educators, with a visual demonstration. Start by separating the hair into two even sections. If throughout the braid you end up with one section larger than the other, or three sections, then you've gone wrong, so come back to this point. To start the braid, take a very fine, small piece of hair from the outside of the right hand section and cross it over the top into the left hand section. Then repeat from the left hand section, a small fine piece of hair, cross it over the top and into the right hand section. So again, your two sections stay equal in width. You should create a cross. So once you've got your first cross, the braid is as simple as repeating the process down the length of the hair. Always take from the outside and cross over the top and try to keep consistent tension. A common mistake with this braid is losing tension. If you're finding this is a problem, then start with the hair in a ponytail. Then practice the braid, keeping tension until you've mastered that. If you want to make a fishtail braid look more like a Dutch fishtail braid, then instead of crossing the hair over the top, use the same technique but cross the hair underneath the sections. If your fishtail braid is starting to look like a normal 3-strand braid, then your sections are too thick. Again, start again and take your sections finer. The finer the pieces of hair to cross over, the more of a fishtail effect you will create. So you can see Natalie's hands are travelling down the braid as she's creating the style. Again, this is a common mistake. Because the sections are so fine, we tend to find beginners keep their hands in one space for too long, which causes the braid to gather up. So keep your pieces of hair fine, keep your tension tight, and keep your hands travelling down the braid. So once you get to the end of your braid, just fasten with a simple clear elastic. Natalie finishes the braid on her airhead mannequin by teasing out the pieces of hair to add thickness and texture. A simple fishtail braid.